How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today it's snowing really hard here in Montreal, so I just want to show you how Montreal snow looks like. So this is how Montreal snow looks like, and it's today we're gonna be getting around 15 centimeters of snow. So I'm not gonna start cleaning the snow yet because it's still snowing. So but even though it's snowing, you can still do the video today. So in today's video, I'm gonna be installing this M4 style carbon fiber spoiler on my BMW M235i. I'm gonna put it here. See, that's how it's gonna look like when it's installed. First, I have to take out this original spoiler from the BMW. I have to take it out. So it's gonna be a bit of time to take it out because we have to unglue the bottom part of this spoiler to take it out, so we can install the new carbon fiber spoiler on it. So I guess let's start the install. Oh yeah, guys, before that, don't forget, this is the last week to join the giveaway. So if you didn't join the giveaway yet, remember the giveaway is a $50 US Amazon gift card. So if you didn't see my last video, please check it out, the details there, but I'm still gonna tell you now. You have to watch that video, click like on that video, and comment the word splitter on the comment section down below on that video, so I can see your name when it comes time to draw the winner for the $50 US Amazon gift card. So today's the last week. The draw will be held on January 23. I'm gonna take a video of that, and I'm gonna show it on the video for the 24th video that I'm gonna release. So hope you guys I hope you guys you know, join the giveaway. So good luck to everybody. Now let's start the install. First, we have to warm the spoiler with a heat gun, so we can soften the glue in the inside. And once the glue is a bit soft from the heat, then we can use the floss, dental floss, to pass it between the spoiler and the body of the car, so at least we can remove the glue slowly. But first we have to heat it up. Now we're gonna get a piece of dental floss and you don't want to put too much of the heat gun on the paint because it's not good for the paint when you put too much heat. So just try to feel the spoiler if it's hot enough for you to try it again with the dental floss. Then we're gonna use an old card. Just take out the glue on the body of the car. Scratch here. I'm gonna warm it up. I'm gonna do a dry fit. I do a dry fit of the spoiler. Make sure everything is aligned. Clean the spoiler with alcohol to before you put the 3M double-sided tape. So peel off the edge of the double-sided tape. So it's easy to take it out when you have something to grab onto when you put the spoiler. Just make sure that you can still see this. Before you can fully stick onto the body of the car, to the trunk. We're ready to stick onto the spoiler. Just make sure make sure that the both ends are level, and even. Some people, they use the tape with the hinge method. But in this case, because of the M4 spoiler, we can just eyeball it because there's a groove on the back that holds to the mold of the trunk. So I guess that's it. I think. Looks awesome. Okay. I'm ready to take out the Press onto the spoiler, make sure the double-sided tape it's sticking to the trunk. Press it around 30 seconds or so. Make sure they're all even. That's it. There you go. And that's how you uninstall the BMW spoiler and install the M4 carbon fiber spoiler. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to join the giveaway. This is the last week before the draw. So thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.